Hi everybody, in this example we are going to calculate the applied overhead under activity-based costing. What we are given in the problem is all the activities that are driving the overhead, and we are also given the estimated costs as well as estimated cost driver units, so the level of activity that we are planning for the year. On the same side, we are also given the estimated activity for a specific product. Now, we are trying to calculate the applied overhead for racing product under activity-based costing. And the best way to think about it is in a spreadsheet format. For each activities, there is going to be a specific predetermined overhead rate that we need to calculate. So for machine setup, for example, it is $80,000 estimated cost, 400 runs in total. So each run is $80,000 divided by 100 is $800 for each run. Order processing is 120,000 for 200 orders, so 120 divided by 200. For each order, it costs $600. For machine equipment, the estimated cost is $140,000, and the estimated hour for the year is $10,000. So it's $14 for each hour. And finally, for packaging and shipping, it's $60,000 for 15,000 units. So for each unit, we need to spend $4. Now, the reason I do that in a spreadsheet is because now I can plug in the racing model's activity right here from the previous page. As you see here, the activity for 500 units was I need to do 5 runs for production. I need to do 8 orders, and the machine hours required is 300. So I just plug in the activities right here, 5, 8, 300. And this is for number of units. I know that I'm producing 500 units. Then all I need to do is multiply these two, rate by the activity for a specific product, rate by the activity for that specific product. 800 by 5, 600 by 8, $14 by 300, and $4 by 500. I get the multiplications right here. And if I add them up, that is going to give me $15,000. That is the applied overhead under activity-based costing for racing product. Now, per unit is going to be basically the total $15,000 that I apply divided by 500 units, and that is going to be $30 applied overhead per unit. Again, in order to solve the activity-based costing problem, I am doing it in a spreadsheet. I think of it that way. I look at the annual cost for overhead drivers. I look at the actual driver for different activities. I calculate the rate, and then I look at for individual products, like what is the activity level that the product is using right here. I multiply these two to get the overhead assigned for each activity. Add them up, you are going to find a total value under activity-based costing.